Hello guys, in regard to signals dimensions, for example in constants, we can enter complex numbers, scalar, matrix, and other variables, and other available numbers. So the signals which exist in the block is not just a scalar based on the block information, it may be complex number or matrix with generally dimension, or any other amount. But in regard to type that we use in signals, let me create a model here. Before explaining the data type, here I want to tell you how to connect the signals between the blocks. In order to connect the signals between the blocks, I click on the output of block and drag it toward the input of other block. Also here, if I don't connect the signals, there will be a red dotted line. Look at here. For example, I won't connect this line. As you can see, this red dotted line. Now if I delete this block, I have a signal that it does not have beginning and end. Also, there is another way to connect the blocks. Suppose that blocks are located far from each other like this. In order to connect them, you should just click on the origin block, push the control, and then click on the destination block. Now the signal is connected within these two blocks. Now I want to use sum block. I mean that I want to connect the signal from sum block to the signal that is located here. If I want to connect it to the sum block from here, it's not possible to do it. If I click on the signal, we can see that the signal transfers to other part. Also, by right click on the signal, you can see the signal information. How can I do that? In doing so, we should push the right click and drag the mouse toward the desired part, which here is sum block here. Now, as you can see, it cannot, this consent block, which I got a copy, cannot connect it to the line. The reason is that the signal that I have here ends in a scope and it wants to show the result of constant block. So here, if we want to see these two constant block outputs, we should make the scope two-dimensional, or we can use mocks or other blocks which are for classification of signals.